Welcome to our final basic data query language lecture. Today we are diving into one of the PostgreSQL most flexible features, subqueries. I'm sure you've been following along with our previous DQL lectures. So you built a solid foundation with filtering, aggregations, joins, and set operations. Subqueries will complete your toolkit by allowing you to nest queries within other queries, creating more dynamic and flexible data retrieval patterns. Subqueries are like SQL's version of nested functions in programming languages. They let you use the results from one query as part of another query. This opens up a world of possibilities for solving complex problems that would be difficult or impossible with just basic SQL commands. You might have already thought, there must be another way to solve these, while working through some of our previous examples. Today we'll see how subqueries can often provide elegant solutions to challenging data problems, sometimes simplifying queries that would otherwise require complex joins or temporary tables. By the end of this lecture, you understand how to write and use different types of subqueries, where they work best, and how to avoid common pitfalls. Let's get started with some fundamentals of how subqueries work. At its core, a subquery is simply a query nested inside another query. It's a SQL statement enclosing parentheses that return data which can be used by the outer query. This concept is incredibly powerful because it allows us to break complex problems into smaller, more manageable pieces. In this example, we have a simple subquery in the where clause. PostgreSQL executes this query in a specific order. First, it runs the inner query, the subquery, to calculate the average product price. Once that result is available, it uses that value to filter products in the outer query. Subqueries can return different types of results, and it's important to match the right type of subquery with how you are using it in your outer query. There are three main types based on what they return.